Question is asking what is this value. So there is a formula, right? There is a formula which we have discussed in the synopsis. Log a power p base b power q can be written as p by q log of a base b. This is a very easy part to understand, which can also be written as p divided by q into log a base b can be written as log a divided by log b. So I can write here, see here this is 3 power 1 5 power 1 into log 5 divided by log 3, correct? Log 5 divided by log 3. 27 can be written as 3 cube, 25 can be written as 5 square. So I can say 3 divided by 2 into log 3 divided by log 5, log 3 divided by log 5 into 49 can be written as 7 square, right? So 7 can be written as 7 to the power 1 divided by 2 log of 7 base or log 7 divided by log 7 whole divided by log 1 divided by 4. 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4 log 3 divided by log 3, right? Log 3 because this power is 1 here. So what will I get now? I can cancel out log 3 with log 3, log 5 with log 5, log 7 with log 7, log 3 with log 3. So your answer to the question here will be, this is equal to 3 divided by 4 divided by 1 divided by 4. Your answer to the question will be equal to 3. This is the answer.